Good day, kind warriors! Let's talk about creating a sensory-friendly home for our awesome kids dahil ang simple changes is equals to big comfort. Number 1, calm corner is equals to safe space. Mag-set up ng maliit na space na may pillows, soft toys at sensory items kung saan pwede silang magpahinga when they are overwhelmed. Ikalawa, reduce noise overload. Kung sensitive sa tunog ang anak mo, noise-canceling headphones or white noise machines are lifesavers. Ikatlo, soft lighting is less stress, no? Palitan ang harsh lights and gumamit ng soft lamps or natural light para mas kalmado ang atmosphere. Ikaapat, declutter visual noise. Keep things organized. Too much visual clutter can overwhelm their senses. At ang ikalima ay sensory tools ready. Have fidget toys, chewable necklaces, or sensory beans para may go-to calming activity sila kapag na-overwhelm sila. Kind warriors, small adjustment make a world of difference, no? Let's build homes filled with comfort, understanding, and peace. Share this tip, alright? Peace.